Hey everyone, ever gazed at the American flag and wondered, why exactly 50 stars? It's a great question, and the answer is packed with history. Each one of those brilliant stars on our flag represents a single state in the United States. And yep, you guessed it, we have 50 states today. But get this, it wasn't always that way. Imagine the very first American flag. It had only 13 stars, each one standing for one of the original colonies that formed our nation. Pretty cool, right? As new states joined the Union, the flag changed to more stars were added, reflecting our country's growth. This continued until the super significant year, 1960. That's when Hawaii became the 50th state, and our flag got its final star count. So, next time you see Old Glory waving high, remember that each star isn't just a design element. It's a tiny beacon telling a story of unity, incredible growth, and the enduring spirit of freedom that connects us all. Thanks so much for watching and learning with me today. If you enjoyed this little history lesson, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun facts. See you next time.